who are asking me about how to do Timebucks. So definitely you type to timebucks.com. So like that one. So you go to Timebucks. So if you have not created the account, now you create the account, and then this is the dashboard for Timebucks. So on dashboard you can view the people who have been involved in task completions. You can also see the earnings that you had today, the lifetime earnings that you have. You can also do some tasks here on this hand tab. So you go to hand tab, you can identify whether you want games, surveys, the task, the offers, the content. You can refer someone using your link. You can also do the push clicks. All those are the activities that we do here on Timebucks. You can also do the task, the offers, the content. So the content basically are the ads that you will watch for few seconds, and then we have push clicks that comes after every 2 hours. So you can get a push click there, and then you check the capture, and also you can see the offers for service that are coming on that day, and you will be able to uh, do your task. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to uh, follow me on more on how to earn in Timebucks, this is my link. So I'll be sharing with you the link. So thank you for watching my video.